Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina, and in our last life skills video, we learned about another hygiene skill, how to wash your face. Check that video out right there. But now I'm going to show you the steps for if you want to moisturize your face after washing it. So follow along with me and let me show you those steps. Let's go. Remember, this video teaches life skills for learning purposes. Some activities may require adult help or supervision. Please practice safely. After you finish washing and drying your face, you can apply a moisturizer. You might choose a generic body lotion like this, or you might choose a moisturizer that's specifically made for your face. Either way, put a little on your hand and then a little on your face. Rub it into your skin really gently. Your forehead, your cheeks, your under eyes, and down your neck. Rub it in until it's nearly dry. Now, let's talk about what kind. At nighttime, it's best to use a moisturizer after you wash your face, or a body lotion like we just discussed. But in the daytime, it's important to choose a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it. It might say SPF. That means that it will protect your skin from the sun outside. Do this the same way you would do a regular moisturizer. Put a little bit on your hand and then rub that into your face, making sure to get all the different parts of skin on your face. Your forehead, your nose, your under eye and cheeks, your chin, down your neck, and don't forget your ears as well. You might think of putting on sunscreen when you know you're going to be out in the sun, like at the pool or the beach, but it's actually really important to put on every single day when you go outside, even if you're just running errands, going to work, or going to school. This is a good way to protect your skin. Thanks again for following along and seeing the steps for how to moisturize or put lotion on your skin after washing it. Remember, if you wash your skin in the evening, use a regular moisturizer afterwards, and in the morning, use a sunscreen. That's super important. And until next time, take a look at this next hygiene life skill and click the link below if you'd like to join my email list for other resources. Bye.